If soft glam makeup never looks this smooth on your skin, you are doing it wrong. So first, I'm quickly removing the facial hair because this makes such a huge difference in how smooth your makeup sits on the skin. Now let's prep the skin properly because soft glam is all about fresh, healthy looking skin. I'm using a lightweight hydrating skincare routine so the makeup melts into the skin instead of sitting on top of it. Always remember, a glowing base always starts with a hydrated skin. I'm starting with the eyebrows first because brows completely change how soft glam makeup looks. For soft glam, I don't want anything too sharp or overly carved. The goal is soft, lifted and natural. So I'm lightly filling the sparse areas while keeping the front of the brows more fluffy and diffused. Next, I'm prepping my eyelids with some concealer and setting it with powder. For eyes, I'm using neutral brown tones to softly define the eyes without making them look too smoky or heavy. The goal is lifted, feminine and effortless. Now I'm using a dark brown color close to my lash line to make a small wing. I'm using this NYX Gel Eyeliner to tightline my upper waterline, smoking my lower lash line with the same brown color. I'm using this champagne shimmer on my inner corners. A little shimmer on the lids instantly makes the eyes look bigger and brighter. And for lashes, I'm keeping them wispy and fluttery instead of dramatic because that's what really gives that soft glam effect. Finishing the eyes with a good coat of mascara on my upper lashes and lower lashes. For complexion, this is where most soft glam makeup goes wrong on brown skin. The secret is using thin layers and blending everything properly. I'm using a skin-like base instead of super matte foundation so the skin still looks real and glowy. Cream products work beautifully for soft glam because they melt into the skin and look way more natural. So I'm using this cream contour from Westman Atelier and just contouring my face lightly. The idea is to softly add warmth and shape back into the face without making it look too harsh. Now I'm adding blush. I'm using a cream blush here that makes the soft glam look fresh, feminine and alive instead of flat. And finally, I'm using concealer at the end because this is what makes everything blend together seamlessly. It almost works like a real life filter. It softens the makeup, brightens the face and makes the entire look smoother and more lifted without feeling heavy. I'm setting the concealer with a little bit of powder to keep everything bright and crease free without making the skin look dry. Then I'm layering the cream contour with a powdered bronzer to add more warmth and make the face look softly sculpted. And finally, I'm setting the cream blush with a powdered blush because this helps the color stay longer. For lips, I'm slightly overlining with a deep brown liner to give the lips more shape and definition. Then I'm adding a little concealer in the center because this helps blend everything together and gives that soft gradient effect. On top of that, I'm using a baby pink lip color to keep the look fresh and feminine. And finally, I'm topping everything off with a brown nude gloss to make it look more polished and expensive. To match my pink lips, I'm going to add pink glitter on my inner corners. Highlighting my inner corners and the area just below the lower lash line makes such a huge difference. I'm using a liquid highlighter on the back of my hand and lightly dabbing it on with a fluffy brush for that soft, lit from within glow. This gives the skin a healthy sheen without making it look too glittery or oily, which is perfect for soft glam. I'm using a soft white eyeshadow to highlight the brow bone and sharpen the wing a little more. These tiny steps make the eye look cleaner and more lifted. And finally, I'm lining my lower waterline with a nude pencil because this instantly makes the eye look bigger, brighter and more awake. And to finish everything off, I'm using a hydrating serum spray. And this is the final soft glam look. Glowy, feminine and perfect for brown skin without looking heavy or overdone. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to check out my other makeup videos as well because I have more brown skin friendly glam waiting for you. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Till then, bye bye.